Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. We are here with two recipes, very quick ones. One is Vratwali or fasting sweet potato chaat or shakarkandi chaat, and the other is street style sweet potato or shakarkandi chaat. Friends, if you like our videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, you will receive notifications from us. So now let's begin the recipe. We have boiled sweet potatoes without water. Check out this recipe in our channel because sweet potatoes boiled this way taste awesome and you do not have to deep fry them for the chaat. They have an aroma of their own. So now let us begin with the Vratwali sweet potato. We have taken half cup boiled sweet potatoes. Add some rock salt to it. Add 1/4 teaspoon crushed black peppercorns. Lemon juice must be about half teaspoon. Pomegranate seed add as per your taste. And we are done with it. It tastes awesome. So now we move on to street style sweet potatoes. Half cup boiled sweet potatoes. Add rock salt. 1 pinch chaat masala. Lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder. Half tablespoon green chutney. Check out the recipe in our channel. Half tablespoon date tamarind chutney. Check out the recipe in our channel. 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves and pomegranates as per taste. Mix well. Add some save. Add as per desire. And this chaat tastes yummy. Do give this a try and give us your feedback. And in the meanwhile, Soumya is tasting it. Bye. Take care. See you soon with another video.